Okay, so hold on, final word, and I'll just play devil's advocate one more time. But when, if the end goal is for Palestinians, obviously, to get their rights, get their equal rights, what does that then mean for Israelis, right? Because that's always been also one of the bones of contention that the Israelis have with the BDS movement is that, again, within that accusation of anti-Semitism, they say that the BDS wants all Israelis to leave, for example, or all Jews to leave, I should say, in fact. Is that what the end goal is?
No, of course not. You cannot undo a wrong with another wrong or exodus of people. The BDS movement has clear demands which are enshrined under international law and human rights. And as AD said, that includes ending the occupation and colonization of Palestinian territories. But the Palestinian citizens of Israel, to have equal rights as their Jewish counterparts, because right now they have more than 50 laws which discriminate against them just because they are Palestinian. And for the Palestinian refugees, which have been expelled from their homes by Israel's system of ethnic cleansing and by brutal force, to have their right to return to their homes. And this is a right enshrined under international law. Granting Palestinians their rights under international law and human rights conventions does not take away from any other group's rights. But we cannot have a system to continue to discriminate against a whole population of people based on where they are from. This is apartheid. We are in the 21st century. We are talking about anti-racism everywhere. It's no longer, it was never acceptable. It wasn't acceptable for South African apartheid, and it's not acceptable now today in Palestine. And to grant Palestinians their rights is what has to be done for justice to be achieved. And that also means that we have to, as international activists, ensure that we are challenging our institutions, our companies, our governments, and their complicity with this system of oppression against Palestinians.